Next, we go to Shippensburg University to discover how students provide service through various programs to discover the deeper meaning of service.
A living learning community at Shippensburg is a special community within residence halls, and they're just places where you are not only living and learning with people, but you have a specific purpose.
The LLC Engaging Service Through Action focuses on 3 particular outreach points: the campus farm, the Shippensburg Produce and Outreach, also known as SPO, as well as the Food Recovery Network. Each one of the networks has a direct impact to our campus and then links into community partnerships.
Working with a living learning community, specifically the Engaging Service Through Action LLC, has really opened my eyes to the different problems that even small communities face.
The Shippensburg University LLC focuses on SPO on Tuesdays, where we have the opportunity to go into the organization, whether it's helping sort fruits and vegetables, work with community members to receive their produce, or work directly with our really fantastic AmeriCorps Vista.
I am an AmeriCorps Vista member, and Vista stands for Volunteer in Service to America. So what we do is we're placed with nonprofits in communities, helping to build capacity, make those organizations stronger. I help connect students to volunteer opportunities, help them to learn more about the groups that I work with, and help them get involved.
I love putting a smile on people's faces, and if I know that I am making their lives better and making sure that they're happy and healthy.
Service to me means simply giving back and giving your time. I think that's one of the most important things, and one of the most selfless things you can give is your time. And I think that's basically what service means to me, just being somebody that is a resource and somebody that's available.
For me, it's a unique experience to see my students want to give back to the community and then make the connection as to why, when they grow both personally, professionally, on and off campus, why it's such a pivotal point when they graduate. I find that my students give back to the community more frequently. There's a deeper sense of connection. Specifically when I was an employer, seeing them truly live out not only their role in a company, but their role within the community. They're walking billboards.
We have wonderful students that come and help us to be volunteers for Shippensburg Produce and Outreach. They're really, really great with our clients too. Our clients look forward to seeing our students and interacting with them and talking with them.
The students willingly give up their time. They committed themselves to an opportunity to give back, both to the campus and to the community.
I was a undergraduate social work major, graduating in May of 2015. I learned what I was doing in the classroom was what I was going to be seeing in the community. I really have this mentality that, service is a huge part of my life. That led me to becoming a Vista member. This is a great opportunity for me to give back to the Shippensburg community that I think has given so much to me and to other students.
And what I find unique is that's not at every campus. It's a part of the culture that allows our students to feel not only engaged, but committed, but truly to be ambassadors of goodwill. We all have an opportunity to be active members of our community, and we each play a part in it.